Hello, it's March 2024 and Jac Mel, I'm going to see Bronwyn because it's her 60th birthday. Where is this, Bronwyn?
This is Casa dos Assentos in Northern Portugal, 60 minutes north of Porto.
On the Campasto del Compost Heap walk. Looks beautiful to me. And we got there and the standings, and I think Simon and the Smiths were there. And the next day was Easter Sunday.
And the bells, for whom the bells toll.
Yes, this is the view from our bedroom window.
These are the buggers that woke me up this morning. Yes, it is Easter Sunday. Here we go. Look at this.
It's pretty wild hills.
You can see them driving up. I thought we were going to kind of go up.
So, whether sun shone, we're off to play tennis and big crowd, Bron?
Big crowd, but first had to pass the amazing lemons.
Yeah, and
huge and juicy.
And then the amazing Rod Smith, I think, turns up. The best looking boy in fits in his generation.
And look at the kit.
And there he is, a magnificent forehand. How did Carly do?
Carly's got beautiful style.
And here's another man with beautiful style, because it's Mike's Magical Mystery Tour.
Here we are, look at this. It's Mahusiv. There's Chris. Stomach in, please, Chris. There we go. Thank you very much.
We're about to go to Mike's favourite spot, through the arch. And you get to that barn, is going to become an amazing event barn.
I thought it was a pigsty. But no, it's better than that. And they're the girls, they're kind of inspecting every last bit of woodwork. And this is what? What's this building?
And this is a church,
What's
right next to the building.
What's it doing there?
It was sold by the Machado family. Well, gotta wonder why they put it right next to their house.
And now they're going to nick all your camellias. And where's this?
This is Ponte de Lima, one of the most popular tourist spots in Northern Portugal.
About 20 minutes away. So yeah, that was a really great trip.
Look at this. That is your Roman bridge. 2,000 years old. Here we are. And at the end of the Roman bridge, you always get a beautiful church.
And they're one of the many beautiful churches that grace Portugal.
Kind of Baroque style. We split up into two camps. There was a pizza camp, went off for a delicious pizza, and I was in the sandwich camp. But what a nice little town, we thought. Who's this?
This is Christopher Harris. Looks like we're on a walk.
Yes, we're on the bridge actually. This is the sandwich squad. We didn't go to these fancy restaurants.
And this was a procession. They happen for every religious ceremony.
And this is cards, and who's this?
And this is John Pasking.
John, did you know that Jack used to play chess at school?
And this is Mike. It's been a long day.
He was sent to sleep by Mr. Pasking's patter, if you ask me.
Isn't it an old
That
chess?
is...
It's
a chess...
Chess
what we
thing.
got for being bottom of the chess league, yeah.
Yeah.
So he's the better chess player.
Pride of place, that is pride of place.
And look how happy Rod was to get his prize. But here we are in a quiz game before we start prepping dinner.
Dinners were magnificent. I think there were about 20 of us all around this big old table. Absolutely fantastic.
Well, there's a place up, is there a place up there?
Yes, between Christmas
And then
Poker.
there was poker.
And the stakes were very, very high indeed. Who was going to win?
Oh, Chris! Chris, I love Chris!
John Sheen. I can't believe I've got another bad beat. 10, 3 10s.
The intellect around the table, but the winner was Ben.
Yes, excellent. Well done, Ben. And then Monday, yes, Easter Monday. And breakfast. Note the orange juice. Where did the orange juice come from, Bron?
Well, some very able helpers picked it with these amazing pickers.
Yes, we could pick loads. And there were loads of oranges and lemons. Which was, look at these beautiful girls here.
Sangria on the terrace.
Yes, and then big walk. We're going to go a big walk round the house. And it was a spring morning. It was beautiful.
There's a Centos from the distance, shining pink.
So we went round the house and you can kind of see it from all different angles. So that's a very different angle from the one we had before. I actually think that's a really good perspective over there. We carried on walking. What's this of you, Bron?
This is a view from up on the mountain down into the valley.
Yeah, look at this. Oh, look. There's handsome.
Look at the wisteria.
Yes, here we go.
And here we are up in the eucalyptus forest.
And there's Johnny Paskin. Yes, there he is, looking very happy. And there's Sally. She's looking equally happy as well. This is some Olympic thing.
I think it was a football pitch that's gone in disrepair.
So we like that with the more views of the back of Dos Santos.
It looks like our very own bell tower.
I think it looks fantastic from this angle. And this is the swimming pool.
This is one of the swimming pools, and this is a bird of paradise, my very favourite
But
flower.
there are some idiots, Bron, who think that if there's a pool, they have to go in.
And we can guess who.
Yes, we can.
Careful, Bron.
We can see at some point. It's pretty for an hour or so.
That sounds nice.
Yes.
Is that a short
Well, I think maybe Margaret.
We all remember Norwich 40 years ago when Chris had to go into the sea.
Yes, and his testicles have never recovered since. And anyway, they're just about better now. So what better time is there to go in the subarctic symbol? Very good views of the
But
house.
he managed to persuade Rob Standing to join him.
Yeah, Rob's there. There's Chris's. See, he's been sucking on vinegar there. And here we go.
Come on, Chris and Rob. 5.
Deep there, Chris. Chris is not deep there.
Come on, girls.
Rob.
Is that cold, Chris? Come on, Rob. Get in. You got to jump in, boys.
Exercise, Chris. Exercise makes you warm. Swim, swim, swim.
Come on, Rob. Very. Oh.
Mike, get them towel. I'll get them towel. Come on.
Wait, it's cold.
Well done, Rob. It's cold. He's like an Olympic swimmer here. Robert Standing representing Great Britain in the Polar Olympics. Oh, beautiful technique.
Oh, it's freezing.
That was Chris and Rob in training for a 100-mile Arctic swim challenge.
But the girls are not to be outdone.
But they look like they're enjoying it better than the boys did.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Well done. Well done. That's a little towel down. And another meal. We had magnificent meals. And I think everybody seeing Bronwyn's cake being lit. Did you like it, Bron?
The cake was fabulous. And the meals were one of the highlights of the whole weekend when we just got to chat and catch up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bronwyn. Happy birthday to you.
Exactly, Annie. Don't feel right anymore to blow.
Speech, Bron. Speech, 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 speech.
Blind us with
Well,
your
honestly, it was very late. We all invited you all here. It's been wonderful. Day. I can't believe we all go back together.
Absolutely.
And one of the most special things for me of this event is you don't know, but I already knew Annie really well, but I didn't know Lucy and Lucy. And it's been absolutely wonderful to get to know you both.
Cheers.
Thank you, Mike.
Give her a kiss.
Okay, these are
And there, Jack and I were having a moment, but oh no, John joined us. The cake, delicious,
Raclette, fantastic.
fantastic. John had a cheese baby.
This is your actual birthday. It rained on your birthday, so we had a lot of big chats. But what was this restaurant, Bron?
This is Don Carlos, probably one of my favourite restaurants in the world at
in
this
the
point.
world. Yes, it was fantastic. We had a really, really nice time. And after that, we kind of went back. And first of all, Rod played Quizmaster. And what did Ben do?
And Ben then performed Werewolf for us.
Oh!
And many thanks for Charlie for muting me.
And then back to Blighty for me and Mel, and we had a fantastic time. Thank you, Bronwyn. It's we look forward to going again in the future years. There you go. You want to say goodbye?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Many thanks to Mike and Bronwyn. Mike did a fantastic amount of work to get the house ready. He's still got a fantastic amount more to do, but he's like a pig in muck, that boy. He just loves it. As for Bronwyn, happy birthday, Bronwyn. You've been a fantastic friend all these years, and we all love you. Bye-bye.